Question number 1. Not only dash she clever but also kind. A, is B, was C, were. Question number 2. Little dash he know about the surprise. A, does. B, did. C, has. Question number 3. He suggested that she dash earlier. A, leaves. B, left. C, leave. Question number 4. She would rather dash than stay here. A, to leave. B, leave. C, left. Question number 5. They had better dash now. A, going. B, go. C, gone. Question number 6. She denied dash the letter. A, receiving. B, receive. C, to receive. Question number 7. If I dash the money, I would buy it. A, have. B, has. C, had. Question number 8. It's time we dash. A, left. B, leave. C, leaving. Question number 9. I would rather you dash here tomorrow. A, came. B, come. C, coming. Question number 10. He acts as if he dash the boss. A, is. B, were. C, was. Question number 11. By next month, she dash here for 5 years. A, will work. B, will have worked. C, has worked. Question number 12. She is supposed dash at 5. A, to arrive. B, arrive. C, arriving. Question number 13. The cake tastes dash. A, well. B, good. C, nicely. Question number 14. This is the man about dash I told you. A, which. B, whom. C, who. Question number 15. I heard her dash in the garden. A. Singing. B. Sang. C. Sing. Question number 16. She made me dash it again. A. Do. B. To do. C. Did. Question number 17. The book is dash interesting to put down. A. So. B. Very. C. Too. Question number 18. I didn't expect him dash so late. A. Arrive. B. To arrive. C. Arriving. Question number 19. He avoided dash the question. A. Answer. B. Answering. C. To answer. Question number 20. I look forward to dash from you. A. Hear. B. Heard. C. Hearing. Question number 21. No one knew dash he went. A. Where. B. That. C. When. Question number 22. She hardly ever dash late. A. Come. B. Come. C. Came. Question number 23. Each of the players dash tired. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Question number 24. I wish you dash earlier. A. Arrive. B. Had arrived. C. Arrived. Question number 25. He work hard, he would succeed. A. Unless. B. If. C. Though. Question number 26. Scarcely had I reached when she dash. A. Arrived. B. Arrives. C. Arriving. Question number 27. It was dash a difficult task that I gave up. A. So. B. Very. C. Such. Question number 28. She is the only one who dash the truth. A. Knows. B. No. C. Knew. Question number 29. The match was boring. Dash. A. Isn't it? B. Wasn't it? C. Didn't it? Question number 30. He is used to dash up early. A. Getting. B. Get. C. Get. Question number 31. I saw him dash across the road. A. Run. B. Ran. C. Running. Question number 32. This is the first time I dash sushi. A. Have eaten. B. Ate. C. Eat. Question number 33. We insisted that he dash punished. A. B. B. Is. C. Was. Question number 34. I would rather dash at home tonight. A. Staying. B. Stayed. C. Stay. Question number 35. He's good at dash problems. A. Solving. B. Solve. C. Solves. Question number 36. He succeeded dash his father's advice. A. By. B. In. C. With. Question number 37. If I dash you, I would accept it. A. Were. B. Am. C. Was. Question number 38. She was made dash all the work. A. Doing. B. Did. C. Do. Question number 39. He is too weak dash lift it. A. To. B. For. C. That. Question number 40. We have dash sugar left. A. Little. B. Few. C. A few. Question number 41. He doesn't like tea. Dash he. A. Does. B. Doesn't. C. Isn't. Question number 42. She has the ability dash speak 4 languages. A. To. B. With. C. For. Question number 43. He regrets dash so rude. A, B, being C, to be. Question number 44. I don't know when she dash. A, comes. B, will come. C, came. Question number 45. He is believed dash the thief. A, to be. B, to see, being. Question number 46. The older he gets, the dash he becomes. A, wiser. B, wise. C, wisest. Question number 47. This house is dash than ours. A, bigger. B, more. Big. C, biggest. Question number 48. My father let me dash his car. A, drive. B, to drive. C, driving.
Question number 49. The teacher had the students dash the essay. A, write. B, wrote. C, writing.
Question number 50. She had her hair dash yesterday. A, cut. B, cutting. C, cuts.
You made it, and that's what counts. Respect for your brain power and stamina. Drop your score in the comments. Whether you crushed it or just survived, you've earned a virtual high five. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye-bye.